Hello everyone, this is Siddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. If you are experiencing issues with streaming Dancing with the Stars on Disney Plus using your iPhone, do not worry. There are several troubleshooting steps you can try to get things working again. Here is a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix Dancing with the Stars not working on Disney Plus on your phone. Step 1. Check Disney Plus service status. Before you start troubleshooting your device, make sure that you check the Disney Plus application for its outage. You can also check social media for any reports of downtime in your region. Step 2. Restart the Disney Plus application. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen to open the app switcher. Find the Disney Plus app and swipe it upwards to close it. Open the app again and try playing Dancing with the Stars. Step 3 is to update the Disney Plus application. For this, go to the App Store of your iPhone and then search for the application name, that is Disney Plus. If any updates are available, then tap on the update button and relaunch the app after updating. Step 4 is to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable. If using Wi-Fi, try restarting your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back again. Alternatively, switch to mobile data temporarily to see if the issue persists. Step 5 is to clear the Disney Plus app cache. For this, go to the settings of your iPhone, then you have to go to the storage. After that, you have to scroll down and search for the Disney Plus app and then tap on the offload application. Offload will remove all the login data and will have to reinstall the application. Step 6 is to restart your iPhone. Hold down the power button with the volume up or volume down button and swipe to power off. Wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again to restart your phone. Check for device compatibility. Ensure your iPhone is running on the latest iOS version. For this, go to the settings, scroll down to general, tap on software updates and check for any other updates available. Step 8 is to disable VPN. If you are using VPN, Disney Plus may have trouble determining your actual location. So, you just need to scroll down the control center, long press on the VPN and toggle it off. Step 9 is to reinstall the Disney Plus app. Press and hold the app icon until it jiggles and then press the delete app. Go to the App Store and reinstall the Disney Plus app. The last step is to contact Disney Plus support. If the issue persists, contact Disney Plus customer support via their official website. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossipfunda.